Well, it was good while it lasted, no? Mangyayari naman talaga 'yon, mapuputol at some point. Also, it releases yung some pressure, no, of us. Ang gusto lang naman talaga is parating kami ng 9 wins, secure the twice to beat. Of course, we like to win as much and as many as we can, but darating yung araw na maalat talaga eh, no? We missed 18 layups, no, na yung mga tutukan na layups. And then we turned the ball over a lot more than usual. No, we average around 11 or 12 turnovers, pero ngayon yata nasa 18 ba kami turnovers meron. Pero that happens, no, and we knew there was going to be a bad night one of these days. Mabuti nakapag-pundar na kami ng mga panalo. We don't want to feel too bad about it because overall we're really okay. We're still number one. We try to keep yung objective namin secure the twice to beat. So I think ano lang, no? If you're looking at it from a positive perspective, it's time to reset, no? Nakapanalo ka na ng 7 beses. You lose one, maybe you can look forward to another win streak, no? So parang ano rin, parang nakaka-relieve din, no? Nakaka-relieve din ng pressure.
Coach, you're not worried naman na baka you pick too early or based on the way
No.
you played
We're not worried about that. Ang concern mo lang talaga is there's gonna be a bad night, no? And you don't really know when it's going to come. Tapos na-miss namin si Felix. No, na-miss namin si Felix. Medyo bumagal kami nung nawala siya. Tapos yung defense din niya, na-miss namin yung contain yung mga gwardiya rin ng kabila. So, ang problema, we're not really sure if we can come back sa next game. So, tignan natin kailan siya makakabalik.
Ano ba injury niya?
Ano
injury niya?
Nung nabagsakan siya nung import ng Terra Firma, no? So, may contusion siya, tapos swollen, no? Tinignan naman sa MRI, wala namang tear, pero swollen pa rin eh. Medyo yung trauma hindi pa napapasubside eh.
Sa tuhod niya?
Tuhod, yung left knee niya.
Coach, despite the bad night, lumamang pa rin naman kayo ng 18 points.
The usual, no, yung ganun talaga. Yung ano no, yung shift nung momentum, we couldn't get back our own momentum. Masyadong magkasunod yung mga missed layups and then turnovers. They piled up one after another, so it's really hard to get momentum from there. Sila naman pumasok yung mga tres nila, tapos yung mga layups pumapasok. So again, it's not. We played the game. I felt more at their pace, no? Medyo hindi namin na-push ng gusto yung bola. But yun nga, sabi ko, merong araw talaga na ganun. And I'm happy with our overall performance. I think that's most important. His 3-point shot, I think, was 1 out of 9. His 2-point shot was 4 out of 15. So, masyado mababa. That's not his usual game. Nagkataon pa na, yun nga, ang dami naming turnovers at saka ang dami naming missed layups. So, that's okay. That happens.